Gives you the flexibility you need without risking bending your HDMI cables excessively, which may damage the cable or even worse the ports on your expensive equipment. Effectively protect devices been damaged by multiple plug-unplug. Extend lifespan of devices and HDMI cable. Higher resolution. This HDMI adapter right angle supports resolution up to 4K x 2K, supports 1440p, 1080p, 1080i, 720p, 480p. Practical HDMI adapter, supports audio return channel, HDMI Ethernet channel and 3D. Broad compatibility. This 270-degree HDMI connector works for any devices that has HDMI port, also the best choice for connecting TV stick to TV, like Roku. Compatible with all version HDMI cable. What you get. 2x UGREEN HDMI male to female adapter right angle 270-degree. Connectors. HDMI male to female. This HDMI male to female adapter allows you a convenient way to enlarge your wall-mounted TV space. You don't need to bend your HDMI cables excessively, which may damage the cable or even worse the ports on your expensive equipment. Top reviews from the United States. Get the right one. Make sure you know which side direction you want before you buy it. One goes forward, and one goes back.